Hi there, just want to make a short video because I find this is a common issue with the Saga MC2 is that many people have put on their Facebook or whatever that this part is always leaking, like it will leak out from there, the hole there my finger is, which what happened to mine ever since it was new. And if you try to ask the Proton technician to help you fix it, they just say, oh, you need to wait for spare part to replace this or the whole set, I think. And someone mentioned that you need to wait for like 3 months, so I'm not waiting that long. So easy fix is just there's one screw holding it here, so it's original like that. So you just have to unscrew this screw. There, right there, right there, there. The screw is there. Just need a Phillips. Take it out. There's a gasket here. So mine was an easy fix. My gasket around here was just not properly put on from the factory. So I made it flush in now. I just use my finger and push. Then it should be fixed. So I hope that helps. Yo, future Ethan here. I forgot to mention in the video is that you can also just buy the new part from Shopee, which costs 17 ringgit. Just search up Saga window washer fluid tank and this will come out one of them, and this part is the culprit because of the gasket here, so you can just change the whole thing and it should fix the issue. Or you can save more money and just buy a O-ring gasket that replaces the old O-ring on your existing funnel. I measured the diameter is 35mm or 3.5cm, so you can just go to any hardware shop and request for this, and then you just buy it and then just replace it. So yeah, back to the video. For added anti-leak, I added white tape. Now it works for now, but I don't know how long it will last since the engine bay is hot. So putting on some white tape and then flushing back the gasket works for me. It stops leaking, as you can see in the video. But if it leaks again, then it's recommended just change the O-ring. I didn't do that because I fixed this first, then only I went out to buy the O-ring. So that's why I have one standing by. So this is more of a permanent fix. I think this will be temporarily. Well, hope it lasts long. Have a nice day. Bye bye.